Welcome to Finance and Forex. My name is Benhar. I hope you guys are doing well. And if you have a question like where to buy the cryptocurrencies, in case what price I should buy, sometime it happens like okay, 10% up, okay, I'll buy. Next day, 10% down. So in case if you have this similar kind of questions, where should I buy, where should I hold, or where should I sell? Please watch this series. Please watch my previous videos. Here you will little bit understand how things work, how price can be moved in future or how they moved in past. So stay tuned and let's get started for this weekly analysis of the cryptocurrencies. So guys, I'm already on the investing.com website, and in case if you are new to this website, please browse this website. Here you will get to know a lot of information about ETF, cryptocurrency, stock, and everything about like news and their prices, etc. So feel free to browse this site whenever you feel free. Uh, yeah. So for now, let's start our weekly analysis, and if you see, mm, over a couple of weeks now, it is like around 2 to 3 weeks the cryptocurrencies are not getting stable, and it is struggling a little bit. And but however, in case if you feels like you wanted to buy, okay, this was a $60,000 per bitcoin, and now it is at like 31,000. Why shouldn't I buy? So let's hold, let's discuss what would be the best price if someone is willing to buy, and if someone is planning to sell, what important price they could think about of selling. So let's go to the charts and yeah. So if you see, let's see the monthly analysis. Again, it was around like 61,000, 63. It made the height of $64,000 a Bitcoin. And however, since things are not going well from March, and if you see, yeah, pretty solid, pretty volumes are high uh, on the selling side. So let's see the weekly analysis. Okay, I'll drop this. And if you see, couple of weeks it is struggling. There were 3 weeks. Again, it didn't got stable and again got price rejections from 39,000. So if someone want to buy, or what important levels they should think about, I would see on a weekly basis, it is possibly it can get at least till 28,000. I can see the next support again. Support is the place where the buyers get normally active. If you see, at this week in December 2020, there was sellers here, and then the buyers got activated, and then they took over. And then I'm assuming based on the previous uh, candles or like analysis for the week 25th January 21 2021, I'm assuming this could take support at this level somewhere around uh, the current somewhere around 28,700. So let's see if we if we do more detail analysis for 4 hours. I would prefer for 4 hours. See, uh, again. So if you see at the 4 hours chart as well, it has taken the support previously as well. So it didn't breach this level, it took the support, and again this time, second time, third time, around close to third time, fourth time, and we are pretty close to this level. If you see, we are pretty close to this level. It would be interesting if this level get be stable, or again it can break down. So again, idea here is the same what I would try to make you understand. It can go down as well, it can go up as well, but the possibilities, if we see the previous history, uh, the best price as of today, which is 26th of June, I would wait and watch if this level of 28,400, 28,600, around 600 to 400. will be stable or not. So this will be the analysis, and let's see the if there is any pattern which is getting formed. Okay, if you see it is in this triangle, and it may take support from here, and it may come down a little bit, and it can go like this. So again, these are all probabilities, possibilities. We can't predict any instruments price. We can just analyze, and we can just think about how can save our capital, as well as where if we someone want to buy or sell. So this is under I would say it would take this support, and unless and until it breaks this level or like this trend, it would be little hard to for the Bitcoin. So let's see the next. We talk about like Bitcoin. Okay, Cardano. Let's go to the Cardano. And okay, let's see the monthly analysis first, just for roughly idea how it is performing. So if you see the whole month till 26th of January or July, sorry June, it didn't mm, perform pretty well as per expectations. And weekly, if you see, again it is also in a negative side. So at important levels where we can buy, think to buy important levels. Mm, okay, so if you see somewhere around $0.90, it takes always support. If you see one time, second time, third time, fourth time. So this is some important level for. So in case someone is willing to buy again, uh, I would wait and watch, and I would see if this I can put the limit limit orders. If you know limit orders is what, I'll just place an order with this price of like $0.93, and yeah, and we'll watch and wait and watch. Okay, so it is maintaining. If we see this level is maintaining couple of times, one time, second time, third, I mean like fourth, and yeah. So it would be interesting to wait and watch if it comes till here or no. And nobody knows like where when it will come and when it will not come, or whether it will be coming or not. But if you see this analysis, if we draw a chart, sorry, a trend line, it is maintaining. It is in this format. If you see rejections, rejections, rejection, 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 somehow it is trying to get stable around this part. And so if it break this level, if it breaks 0.4 one second, yeah, $0.40, then we can see some uptrend for Cardano, at least for Cardano. So yeah, sorry. So if it moves more than 0.4 or $0.41, then we can probably it could go little higher in coming weeks. But again, it has to maintain or it has to come from break this triangle pattern. This triangle pattern should be break. Then only we can say it could be increased, the price will be increasing or decreasing. It is again probability. It is not uh, it could be happen, it could happen, it couldn't be happen. So it may come down as well, it may go up as well. So as of now, The important price levels for me, if someone willing to buy, is like they could wait and watch till $0.92. So currently it is trading at $1.25, and yeah. So let's see the next currency, Dogecoin. Yeah, if you see the monthly, check out this month. Doge, Dogecoin 24. Let's cross check the current price. Due to some uh, time difference, I mean like systems, there would be little bit price differences. So let's cross check again. Dogecoin USD. Okay, this is the correct result. Previous analysis, which will clear a little bit so that we can have a better view. So yeah, monthly analysis is again not doing well, and we need to understand like if one currency, cryptocurrency is like for example the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is not performing well, then most of the cryptocurrencies will not perform well. So there is a correlation you can call, or like there is a relation which is makes, if Bitcoin is up, all the altcoins will be up. Bitcoin is down, all the altcoin will be down, will be struggling, or most probably. So weekly analysis, again the important level. As of now, I see 0.62, uh, 0.1626 dollars. And why, the reason why I'm choosing this price, if you see, if it came till here and then the buyer got activated, and last time again it didn't to come till here. This time it is on critical level, or like important level, and it would be interesting to see whether it will sustain this level. Let's see for the 4 hours chart. Sorry. So yeah, see, yeah, if you see, these level were pretty much maintained historically. At this in April, it couldn't break second time, third time, and it would be again likely to would like to see whether it will reach this level or not, and whether there is a pattern or not. Let's try to draw some pattern. We call this as a trend line, and yeah, if you see, price couldn't go beyond this one point, second time, third time, fourth time. So it has to break this level, or it has to come out of this triangle pattern. So then only we can say it will be a bullish, or it will be like increasing in that. It tried to go till there, again got rejection, and it would be really interesting to see if it will touch again the previous support, something like this. Yeah, something like that. So again, this is probability. I'm not an expert. I just, for understanding purpose and learning purpose, I'm trying to understand or helping you guys. So Binance Coin, okay. We did Bitcoin, we did Cardano, we did Dogecoin. Let's see Binance Coin. Again, the reason why I'm choosing only these currencies and why not all the currencies, again, time limitations, as well as uh, I personally don't follow USD coin, Tether. I don't follow them. Polka.com, Polka dot. I don't follow that. So I choose only those cryptos where I follow them, or which currencies I follow them. So previously analysis something it went in our favor as far as our analysis. So let's clear it up first, and we will try to understand the new important levels. So let's see the weekly analysis. Again, last 3 weeks not good for mm, Binance coin as well. Again, same. The important level I would see is 2000. Sorry, 200. Because why? Again, same reason. Buyer got activated on this level, and again it is coming on. It touched to this level, and yeah, currently it is trading at 277. I would pretty much interested to see if it maintains the level of around one around 200. We can say 200. Yeah, probability of like 200, 250, 200 will be little challenging. So let's see the 4 hours chart and how it is performing. Okay, so it respected. When I say respected, means it didn't go beyond the line which we drawn, which is 211. So first time it took uh, support at this level. Second time, third time, fourth time. So it is. Let's see and whether it come again to this channel or not. So if someone is willing to buy a new position or like to add, you can think just wait and watch till if how the price gets stable or not at around 205 to 210. So and let's see if there is any channel like triangle pattern, if it is building any triangle or like any pattern trend you can see. So yeah, so on a 4 hours chart again it is perfectly in the triangle. It is not going beyond this channel. If you see the rejections when it could go in, when you can see the higher price or the uptrend, only I feel if it break this triangle, then we can say that there are possibilities it could go a little bit higher. Till then it's really difficult. I don't see any positive. We have to wait and watch whether two possibilities again, it could go down or it could go up. If it is going down, how much it could go down is somewhere uh, I see around 222. Or if it will go up, from where it will go up, it has to breach or come out of this triangle, which is like around 298 to 300 level. So around if it reach 310, 300, around 300 to 310, then we may see the upper levels of Binance coin. So this was the couple of analysis, basic analysis. I would say, guys, it's not again the probability and not the um, we can't predict the price. We can just make the probabilities or where to buy or where to sell. So yeah, that's all from the technical analyst from point five. I hope you guys have learned. I hope you guys are trying to draw your own, demand and supply, where we can say like support as well as resistance and some chart patterns, trend analysis. So the reason why I'm trying to share with you guys, this is something which I follow, and this is we have also seen how historically the price were getting stable at a particular price. So it is important to know and not to follow someone, or like, okay, everyone is buying, it's reached 10%, okay, I will buy today, maybe it will give me 5%, I am happy to return. But again, things doesn't work. So it is important not to just to click the buy button, and it is important to know what are the important price, and that's how we can buy and try to reduce our losses. So I hope you guys enjoyed, learned, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and see you later.